This is more comments on LessWrong for the reach out. Hopefully Dagon will find this and see it. I don't know. But to start with, we're talking about a rather abstract topic, deleting paradoxes with fuzzy logic. Um, this is of interest to me because I know and have thought about a lot about paradoxes with fuzzy logic and Boolean logic. And in fact, I've gone quite a bit farther than them, it would appear, in this direction in terms of research, development, technology, implementation, etc. In any case, I write, Steve Whetstone, if all true statements are defined as non-contradictory, then you can ask more meaningful, fuzzy logic questions about the relevance of several tautologies for applying to specific real-world phenomena. To do this, you need a survey or poll of the environment, and a survey or poll for determining how much the tautologies matter. For example, consider the following Boolean true-false claims we hold to be true, and consider their relevance for use in locating humans statistically. Our first rule, or fuzzy logic heuristic, is to take the first tautology that seems relevant and apply it to see if it matches results. For example, consider these specific logic systems. The complete theory of gravity as discovered by Newton determines that statistically humans have a mass and density approximately equal to water. Gravity combined with density predicts that humans should be located in a region of space centered on the gravitational center of the planet and evenly distributed in a sphere with all air above every human and all solid matter below humans. Evidence of humans living underground or flying on airplanes above any air or with air separating humans from the center of gravity is a violation of this theory of gravity and density in random distribution mathematics. 2. The incomplete theory of plate tectonics and geography determines that people in some places there will be air closer to the center of gravity than at other places. The idealized sphere distribution of humans has bumps and valleys caused by plate tectonics, asserts that some humans on mountaintops will be at local equilibrium above other air molecules in valleys. Humans at one latitude or longitude can be above the air in some other latitude or longitude. 3. The incomplete theory of human behavior says that humans can move and defy uniform distribution rules about their statistical probabilistic locations relative to the center of gravity. People go into rocket ships and can even be found above the air, which is in complete contradiction to the theory of gravity considered as the only tautology theory of relevance. 4. The theory of geometry and angular momentum combined with gravity proves conclusively that humans must be located exclusively in a squished sphere-shaped distribution oblate with their distance from the center of gravity determined solely by the relative density compared to the rest of the material on the planetary space under consideration. Conclusion. Not all of these verifiable true Boolean statements are equally valuable and equally relevant. Some of them can be discarded, or are more usably incomplete than others. Utility value of any logic system is determined by the use case, and Boolean logic components can be added and removed from consideration and time-consuming calculations based on their predictive ability for the particular use case. To determine in this example the most relevant and important logic systems, I would like anyone who reads this to rank order the logic system choices from most relevant and useful to least relevant and useful. The distribution of your rank order voting will determine the utility value of the multiple non-contradictory tautological logic systems comparatively. You may also add one new option to this voting poll on relevance, and others can rank your additional logic framework. When we have enough votes, we start evolving and deleting logic systems from our poll until we have a high level of agreement or a stable equilibrium of voting distribution. Boolean logic tells us what is possible. Fuzzy logic tells us what is relevant and usable. That's at this URL. Type it in if you want, and join and comment if you'd like to vote for 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can add your own item and it will be added to the poll. Or you can indicate which of these items or any item on any vote is not relevant and should be removed for concision and minimized effort. Occam's razor applies to minimizing these, I think. So, thank you for your time. This is the hOEP. Hours equals price. Reach out. Project